Twister, Rebellion, Dracula, Mad Dog, Razor, Bullet, Blade, Terror Piece. Are you thinking why I am using these words? And what kind of words are these? These are very popular nicknames which are used by many people in the world to bully others. What do you mean by bully? Bully means teasing others. Yeah, it is common for children to tease each other, but it is done repeatedly and deliberately harming and humiliating others, then it is called bullying. In this story, Meena, Anu and Ajay are in class 7. Anu is the shortest girl in the class. Ajay, he is always making fun of her height. What he did, he calls her by nicknames which are related to her size. Not only he calls her by nicknames, but also he is constantly patting her on the head to show how short she is. But Anu, she is very self-conscious, she is very sensitive, she feels hurt, but she doesn't say anything. She couldn't. Anu's friend Meena sometimes laughs with Ajay when he is mocking Anu, but she also feels sorry for her. Have you ever been in a similar situation? Or anybody called you by nicknames? According to the National Center for Education Statistics, approximately 20% of students report being bullied at school. Boys and girls are equally likely to be bullied. We all are human beings. We are born with many gifted qualities and talents, but at the same time we have flaws in our characters and also in our body. Someone can be very fat, or someone can be very lean or short, or someone have blunt nose and big ears. One thing, we are not born by our choice. We are created by the God. So what you have to do? We should not criticize the God's creation. If we underestimate any person's appearance or anything else, we are underestimating the God's creation. So we should avoid this. We can see many types of bullying. Name calling and insults are called verbal bullying, whereas attacking other people like hitting, kicking, pinching, pushing are called physical bullying. Spreading rumors and exclude someone from your group are called relational bullying. Have you ever thought in your life what makes a bully? Actually, children who bully others tend to have a low opinion about themselves. They don't like something about themselves or feel ashamed about. So they want to humiliate or put another person down in order to feel better about who they are. In this story, Ajay may be unhappy with his performance in the exams, or maybe Meena doesn't like her big ears and doesn't want anyone to notice them. So they turn their attention to Anu, who is quiet and doesn't respond. In this story, Meena is Anu's friend, but even though she also joined with Ajay and she was laughing with him. We like to have fun together with friends, but sometimes we may even want to do some things only because our friends are doing them. Even if we know that it is wrong, we are doing this. For example, Meena knows that Anu feels hurt when Ajay teases her, but she doesn't want to say anything because she is also Ajay's friend and doesn't want to upset him. Have you heard the term peer pressure? People who are in same age or having common interest are called peer groups. For example, your classmates and friends or your peers. If your friends are doing something which is not liked by you, you know very well that it is wrong. But even though you are doing the same what your friends do. Why are we doing like this? Because we don't want to be the odd one out. We don't want to separate from our group. That is why Meena in this story supports Ajay. But actually, it is wrong. We should not do like this. Nobody likes to be insulted in front of others. They can lose their confidence, feel lonely, and isolated. Often, bullies focus on people's appearance, like why are you so fat or why are you so short, and something like this. Next, about clothes. Why do you wear very old clothes or it doesn't suit to you, and something like this. Next, about the people's abilities, like why can't you run fast or you can't even throw a ball, and about people's family or social circle, like why are you so poor and why do you live in a small house. So every bullied person gets this kind of negative comments. So what you have to do is we should not bother about these negative comments, otherwise such comments can affect the bullied person so much. It can affect the bullied person's health, even their daily routine. The bullied person may not feel like hungry. More often, they may fall sick. They may get nightmares, like have the fearful experience in their dreams. Sometimes they don't have even a proper sleep, a good sleep. They may even find it difficult to fall asleep. Mainly, the school students, they can't even concentrate on their studies. The bullied persons develop the other problems with their own behavior. They stop talking with the people around them. They may become an angry person. Sometimes the person who is bullied may bully someone else just to feel better. These are the major problems that the bullied persons face. Next, we will see how to stop bullying. First of all, if you find that someone is getting bullied, first you have to do is you should inform immediately to your parents or your teachers or any persons who is in position to do something about the problem. Moreover, you should not support bullying. For doing so, you should be a person like having empathy. What do you mean by empathy? Empathy means the ability to experience the feelings of a person in a situation, not as an onlooker but as someone who is also experiencing the situation. So, if we feel for others, we won't definitely bully other people. Even many schools and colleges and even workplaces have strict rules to prevent bullying. It can still happen. If you notice that it is happening around you, make sure you report it. Then immediately it can be stopped.